People, welcome to another episode of Dancehall Critics. And this time we run across some news where I think it surfaced yesterday into the Star, and it's basically talking about Busy Signal getting his travel documents back, his visa back, particularly to travel into the United States, because it also stated that back in 2012, May of 2012, he was arrested and detained and was extradited by the United States government at Normandy International Airport for violating warrant charges or some kind of warrant. I guess he skipped his warrant. He knew he had a warrant, and I guess he fled the United States as a result. Nonetheless, Busy future seems to be looking bright, to be quite honest, because it say after being without a United States visa for quite some time, dancehall artist Busy Signal touched down in New York just to basically get a breather, and he's expected to spend a few days in New York before returning to Jamaica. And the article says a Carla Golata, I think that is Busy Signal's booking agent for Europe, told the Star that the artist will spend a short time in the United States before returning to Jamaica. And then after he returns to Jamaica, he's also expected to jet right off to perform at 17 shows in Europe, starting starting between the 28th of January to February 21st. He's a very popular artist in Europe as well, Galata said, and she added that he's actually one of the most requested artists. And Busy Signal is also expected to have a pretty good or decent show here as a result of the fact that he hasn't been in Europe or performed in Europe since 2014. And basically, this whole return basically will be one that Busy look forward to basically entertaining his Switzerland, Finland, and German, and all his European fans. And a lot of these fans are also in anticipation of some of Busy major hits, such as Nah Go a Jail Again. So it's a good look for Busy still. That's what I say. And I just want to say, kudos to you, man, man. You see me? Yeah, man, big up Busy Signal. Because Busy Signal are one of the man them we put dancehall and just reggae music on the map worldwide. Because I also think that Busy Signal is a very versatile and prolific artist. You see what I say? Who basically, in my terms, as of late, not really necessarily I get the shine where I'm supposed to get, because of certain distraction where I go on in the music industry right now. But the man are definitely, you see what I say? The man are definitely make something happen. You know what I say? Make something happen for Jamaica good. Him spell a good message or spit out a good message. Him artistic nature also help proceed him. You see what I say? Busy a whole heap of good material, man. And you see what I say? I just want to say, boy, enough of them look, man, I forgot watch out for Busy this year, because it appears that Busy have a pretty bright future as stated by him European tour manager, Miss Galato, in that little article here with the Star. And me I tell you, I long for hear from Busy. I want Busy for just forward back in and just come shut up road. That's what I say. Yeah, man. Busy, kudos to you, man. I dancehall critics, people. I just want to know if you come tell me what you think about, I said that whole change in a Busy career, because this is a career change. You see what I say? Now that him have him ability to even go touch back American style, make you even also anticipate say a whole heap of American bookings he might get if you come do some bad show over here, so you see me, and them thing, I make some good money. And I mean, I feel like say yo, even with that I got help bring him career to another level again. You see what I say? Yeah man. Even though I always feel like busy in my own lane still, but I just feel like say yo, that the opportunity I really gotta step him up a notch. Or even step him up just on another level. You see me? So big up to Busy, big up to the Alliance family and the whole works. You see me? Yeah man. I wanna see Busy Signal come do him thing. And probably I'll drop in a mixer. I just want to go on right now. You see me I say? And it's been a long time. As I said earlier, Busy no gonna blow Jamaica. No, I mean gonna blow America. Because of the whole extradition thing, and apparently must get locked up back in the days, and him, you know what I say, him probably know say yo, that thing not gonna really look so good for me, you know. So here what me I go do. I go dash out, you see me? I go dash out on them boys so that them can't, you see me? Them can't mess up my thing. Cause so typical Jamaican thing when them over here, you see me I say? And sometimes you just not too pre, and you don't really have a choice to tell the truth in some aspects. You see me? Cause how them people are deal with them thing, you know. You see me? We not necessarily have to be right. You see me I deal with? Yeah man. I can't wait for hear about Busy come back on stage and come deal with it. I know say when Busy there road too, I'll clash and them thing there. Man dead. How we talk about man Busy lyrical, you know, man. Me know say I'll Sting would have in a operation, cause some little fool would have try war with Busy, and Busy would have done them. Cause Busy lyrical. Yeah man. Busy Signal lyrical, and not to mention the man even touch over into the whole reggae aspect. What we talk about the another song that I can't even recall right now, but when you saw me I say like One More Night, them song are nice and sweet, you know man. Them song they give you a whole different feel of the culture. You know me I say, and them man they bring out the dancehall culture on another level. Him create that bridge there. You know me I say? With dancehall and the reggae. Because him was a hardcore dancehall artist, you know. But him also sing a lot of really nice reggae songs. You see what I say? We definitely set him apart from all the odds and from everybody. And you know what I say? That little breakaway where Busy I go take and basically get himself replenished. Or what was basically stated. He said Carla Galato even stated that he was needing a sabbatical. He wanted to concentrate on all the stress and trauma that he went through, so he took a break, she said. Which of course we understand them look thing there, so may I say, because you don't know say you're a man first, even though you do the entertaining, you're human, and as such you have to basically service yourself time to time as a human being should. You see what I say? And this just basically I give him a little time for basically replenish some things, redo him thoughts, or even adjust his thoughts and feelings and emotion. You know what I say? Basically I take in that whole new energy, that whole new vibe. Yeah. I'm about to do 17 shows. That is a huge task ahead. You see what I say? And I'm really glad say him get back the chance for can travel again. You see what I say? And I know say yo, New York show them I go pack. Cause I know enough show him I get booked for New York and Philly. And like basically all of the places them were dominated by Jamaicans per se. You see me? Yeah man. Holy pardon me, step out in a me black and yo, a dancer critics that have been that dub play thing. Yeah man. You see me? But again, I just want to say big up to one of the legend them. I feel like, you see me, I feel like Busy Signal are one of the legend them based on the material them we created over the years. I feel like that kind of put him on a bigger a bigger position, but him not necessarily get that spotlight, so to speak. You see me? Nonetheless, Busy Signal have him lane, a big man in I thing, and me just say kudos to the man. Please remember to subscribe to the channel at Dancehall Critics. Big up on yourself. Busy, we out.